Hello friends, so this is Zeenat Jahan and I welcome you to Zeenat's creation. So if you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe and like this video. So in this video, we are going to learn how to make this pom-pom in a very easy way. So we need two color of yarn, a crochet hook, a scissor and a fork. So let's get started. So take any of the yarn and cut a long thread like this and put it in the middle of your fork like this. Okay, now just join both the ends of the yarn and start rotating it around the fork like this. The more you rotate it, the more the yarn is rotated, the more fluffier and spongy your pom-pom will be. So like this, I have rotated it 23 times and then just make knot of that yarn which we had put it on behalf on the middle of this fork like this. See carefully how I am making knots like this. You have to obey the same procedure, and now just remove it from the fork and start cutting the middle part of these thread like this. See, wow, it's looking beautiful. Now do the final finishing. Cut the edges in a circular form using a sharp knife and see, it's ready. You can make earrings, necklaces, chains using this. If you want to learn how to make this handbag, the link is given in the description box. And by this, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Bye bye friends, and see you soon in my next video.